Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I'm going to show you how to change your birthday on Snapchat. If you have entered in your wrong birthday or you want to change your birthday in general on Snapchat, you can easily do it. From the chat section of your Snapchat, simply tap on your Bitmoji on the top left and then tap on the settings icon on the top right of the screen. After you do that, it's going to give you an option of birthday right here. You can tap on it. Now on the top it says please select your birthday carefully. You can only change it to a limited number of times. It does not say how many times you can exactly change it, so make sure you type in your correct birthday so you don't need to change it over and over again. You can simply scroll through it and select a day, month and the year. After that you can tap on continue and your birthday will be changed. Now I wouldn't be changing mine, but if you tap on continue, yours will be successfully changed to the birthday that you entered. So that was a real quick video on how to change your birthday on Snapchat. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.